The seventh and most recently identified principle of influence is unity. Unlike the other principles, which focus on behaviors and perceptions, unity is rooted in shared identity. We are most influenced by people we see as part of us, members of our tribe, family, or in-group. Cialdini describes unity as the feeling of we-ness. When someone belongs to our circle of identity, their advice, requests, and actions carry far more weight than those of outsiders. This sense of shared identity taps into something deeper than liking. It is not just about being friendly or finding similarities, but about being on the same side. Everyday examples of unity include family ties. We tend to comply more readily with requests from family members, not only out of obligation, but because their interests are inherently bound to ours. Shared groups are also included. Research shows that people are more likely to help others wearing a t-shirt from the same sports team or university, even if they are complete strangers. The common identity overrules unfamiliarity. In political campaigns, people were more likely to turn out when encouraged with phrases like, "Be a voter," rather than, "Please vote." The first appealed to identity, "I am a voter," while the second appealed to action. In business contexts, creating a sense of unity means framing the relationship as partnership and shared purpose, rather than a transactional exchange. Fundraising appeals are more effective when they emphasize shared identity. As parents, we know the importance of safety, or as members of this community, we can make a difference together. In organizational settings, employees are more engaged when leaders speak in terms of we rather than you and I. Language matters. Pronouns that reinforce togetherness strengthen persuasion. Unity works because it leverages shared fate. If we perceive that someone's outcomes are tied to ours, we are motivated to act in ways that benefit both. It is not just about similarity or liking. It is about belonging to the same circle, the same us. Influence is strongest when it is built on shared identity. To apply unity, highlight common bonds, use inclusive language, and position yourself as part of the client's team. When people see you as one of us, resistance to influence fades and cooperation grows. At Access Bank, this is powerful. When you say, "Together, we're building Africa's future," you're not just offering a product, you're offering partnership. Unity creates belonging, and belonging is the strongest influence of all. So there you have it. Reciprocity, scarcity, authority, consistency, liking, consensus, and unity. 7 principles backed by decades of science, ready to help you connect, influence, and lead. At Access Bank, mastering influence means building trust, inspiring clients, and creating lasting value. That's how we set the standard. Together.